In this video, I am going to explain what are my settings for the Camtasia software and how do I do my settings for the Camtasia software. And so I will explain all my settings to you in this short video. So let's go to the computer screen and let me show you all my settings. I want to tell you some of my secrets which I do, which makes my video editing much more faster than the average editor. What do I do? Now let me tell you, like this timeline snapping, auto snap, you can turn this off and on. Go to the here view and enable playhead snapping, timeline snapping and canvas snapping. This one is our canvas, this one is our timeline, and this one is our playhead. You can like this, like if I come here and it auto snaps to this. Let me enable this playhead snapping. Now this, as you can see, it auto snaps, so that you can turn on or off based on the project you are working on or based your needs. Now this setting is very important. Go to edit and preferences, enable auto save every 1 minute. If your project is big, this will slow down your computer. It will start auto saving every 1 minute and it will slows down your computer very much. So if your project is big, turn this to 1 to 5 minutes and click on OK. Now it will auto save your project every 5 minutes. And by the time I have started, I have not even saved only once. Control S, and now I can save this project. Let's suppose on the desktop, sample project, and save like this. Now one more thing, preferences, I have never changed these settings. These are the set only. I change this auto save. Timing, nothing to do. Partners, nothing to do. Shortcuts, you can edit shortcut according to your own needs. Like I mostly, instead of JK and L, I like QW and E because I use this shortcut on my other softwares like Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve, and I do delete forward, delete backwards, or delete 1 2 3. So QWE and 1 2 3, but here is no delete forward or delete backward option inside this Camtasia, so I just left it at JK and L. Now project settings, you can do the default project settings, like whenever you open a Camtasia Studio, what project settings should be automatically selected. You can do those here. And advanced, if you have graphics card like I have RTX 3070 Ti, you can select this one and it will increase your performance of your software. Temporary storage folder, normally I keep my files separate. My editing files in a separate drive, my temporary files or proxies in a separate drive. That way SSDs work together and the software is much smoother. And after everything you can do click OK, or sometimes we mess up settings, so we can reset setting by clicking here. For now I will just click on cancel. I hope you like this part of the Camtasia Studio. I will see you in the next video. Till then, this is Sohaib signing off. Goodbye.